Hello and welcome to the Describing Motion Graphs video tutorial. Here we have two lines describing the motion of objects A and B, and we're going to describe that motion. So, start with object A. So object A begins at a position of, well, let's see, object A at time equals 0, the position is also 0, so 0 meters. Object A then travels in the, well, it's either going to be positive or negative. So we're going from 0 to 1 to 2 meters to 3 meters to 4. So that looks like the positive direction. At a speed of, well, let's see, in 1 second, so 1 second is here, we've gone 2 meters. So that's 2 meters every second. 2 meters per second. At, let's see, at 4 seconds, that's going to change. At 4 seconds, object A, it looks like object A is now going to go in the negative direction, so we'll say object A turns around and heads in the negative direction for, well, let's see, 4 seconds to 14 seconds, so that's 10 seconds of time. For 10 seconds at, well, let's see what this speed is. At a speed of, well, after, let's see, so here's 4. At 5, so 1 second of time has gone by. It looks like we've gone from 8 meters to 7.5 meters. So that's half a meter in 1 second. So 0.5 meters per second. Object A ends at a position of, well, our final position is 3 meters. All right. After 14 seconds. Just be complete. All right. Next up is going to be object B, and we're just going to follow this pattern here. So object B starts at a position of, let's see, 2 meters right there. Object B then travels in the, it's the positive direction again. Anything up is positive, down is negative. At a speed of, well, how fast are we going? So after 1 second, because here's 1 second here, we've gone from 2 to 2.5 meters. So that's half a meter per second. At 6 seconds, something different happens. Object B, well, at 6 seconds, object B, time is still passing. We're going from 6 to 8 seconds, but position is not. So object B stands still at a position of, looks like at 5 meters. At 8 seconds, object B, now object B is moving back towards the origin, so it looks like the negative direction. So we're going to say object B also turns around. And heads in the negative direction. For, let's see how many seconds it's going to do that for. So 8 to 14, so that's 2, 4, 6 seconds. At a speed of, well, let's see, after 1 second, we've gone from 5 to 4. Double check that. 1 second of time, 5 to 4, so that's 1 meter per second. object B ends at a position of final position is right here, which is -1 meters, after 14 seconds. And we're just going to add a little thing here about what's happening right at this point here. At approximately, let's see, where's that? This is 1, so 1.5 seconds. In fact, I'm willing to bet that's exactly 1.5 seconds. At 1.5 seconds, object A passes object B. Just a little additional sentence here to explain what's happening at this intersection. Thank you for watching the Describing Motion Graphs video tutorial.